Welcome back to the vlog. I got the M Sport rear diffuser installed on the car. I'm gonna tell you, this thing is a pain in the ass to install. I mean, I don't know, people upload videos on YouTube installing this thing, and you know what I mean, then they stop the video and next thing you know they have it installed. Pretty easy look on the video, but man, no, this thing is a pain in the ass to install. You have to take the whole bumper off and fight with the clips to try to clip it from this side all the way to the other side. Like if you try to do it with the bumper on, you clip this side, the other side is gonna fall off. You clip the other side, this side is gonna fall off. It is a pain in the ass. So you have to take the whole bumper off and take your time and push them clips really good in there. And it's just like whoever made this aftermarket or whatever diffuser, I don't think they make it like really, like, you know what I mean, like flush for them to fit perfectly. So even though I put it on, you still can't see, you know what I mean, like this is not flush, you know what I mean, but it is what it is. I mean, it looked pretty good, I'm not gonna lie, I like it. Now the problem, if you got the sensors on your car, you have these things right here that this doesn't cover, and you have to cut this whole piece. You have to cut it so it doesn't look, so at least when you get your quad exhaust, it's not on the way, because there is a piece here that stick out. So this I plastic dipped them black just so they kind of blend, but you cannot cut this out, man. This is all your sensors. Now if you got the base model and you don't have sensors, then you probably don't have that problem, but I do on this side. So hopefully when I put the dual exhaust, it not bug with this. On the other side I don't have that issue, because on the other side you don't have the sensors on it. It's on that side, but you still had to cut the piece. Now another thing, everybody say that the clips on the bottom, they say they clip to the nuts here, and mine didn't, man. That's how far mine got. They didn't make it here. If I would try to push it all the way here, I'd probably knock it out from the top here. So I had to use some metal zip ties and use the old piece to add it up to it. I made some holes on the old piece, zip tie with this, and then attach the old piece back to where it was. So if you're going through that trouble, well, have fun, because it is a pain in the ass, man. I'm telling you, it's a pain in the ass. But it looked good after it's done, so I'm not gonna lie. So I ordered my Megan Racing Supremo Duo, the quad. So hopefully when I get them, I'm gonna install it and then look better. But I definitely like it. I definitely changed the look of the car and make it look really good. So anyway, if you got any questions, you leave it in the comment section. All right, until the next one, be safe, and if you're gonna install this yourself, be prepared, my friend, because it's a pain in the ass. See ya.